It's Chelsea and Carter in the back. Daddy is being such a good hubby.
And it's snowing outside.
Yes, it's snowing outside. It is the first winter. Now Daddy's gonna make all the noise. It's the first winter storm of the season. And of course we need to be out because we can't miss Carter's appointment. And today it decides to snow and ice and all that stuff. So, we're gonna take you along with us. Daddy's being a good husband, cleaning off the car.
And let me talk.
Okay.
And also it's gonna snow every day.
Every day, all day, right? It's snowing all day today. But we're gonna go out and be out and about and have fun in the snow, right? All right, so we'll see you soon. Say, I'll see you in the next clip. My mini bogger. It says octopus. What are you gonna put on your letter to Santa?
Okay.
Toys.
That doesn't say toys. Here we go.
Okay. Hi guys.
So we had a long day, right?
We did. Scary journey.
AM.
What'd you get today?
I got a flu shot.
You
She
took
was
it
not
like a champ,
happy.
though.
But she was not happy.
Not happy at all.
And I have one more thing to tell them.
Tell.
Get out of my hair.
Also, I got an apple juice and 10-piece nuggets at Wendy's.
You have to tell everybody that, huh?
She's on steroids, guys, so don't be coming for us.
It's organic. Yeah, right. So
So we finally made it back home. We had to stop at Walmart because somebody didn't.
Got a toy.
yeah,
Yeah,
what kind of toy did you get? You got the kinetic sand?
Yeah. For being such a good sport at the doctor's office.
That's right.
I'm
Ended
still
up-
crying. I was not good at the doctors.
Then you shouldn't have got a toy then.
No, she did okay. It's tough, right? It's scary. Sometimes, right? Yeah.
And we got an update and confirmation that as long as everything stays on track,
And my
she will
tongue
officially be cancer-free on her birthday next year, right?
Well, she's done with treatment. Can you get that door?
I'm gonna talk now.
What are you gonna
Can
say?
you give me? Do it right there. Today we got new pillows.
Oh, you got new pillows, so you want to show them the new stuff that we got?
Mhm.
Go ahead, show them the new stuff we got. We got a Joy pillow. And where's the other one? There's a matching one. And a Believe pillow. And do you want to show them the tree that we decorated? Go show them.
Go stand next to it.
Right.
Whoa.
Right here. I like this one better. I like these two.
Yeah, we went with blue and green.
Blue and green. And also we have snowman, star, jingle beans.
Jingle beans. And surprisingly, Bruno doesn't really mess with it, right? We thought he was gonna be.
With everything else.
Yeah, he messes with everything else. All right. So we hope you enjoyed this video, our little day in the life.
No, my turn.
What?
And comment below you want my video again.
Comment below if you want to watch my video again.
Okay.
And what else?
You tell all our friends to like, comment,
And subscribe.
Subscribe. That's
See
right.
you next time.
Love you guys.
Say bye.
Bye. You are the cutest. How do you not love his face? You are the cutest.
I said comment below, watch my video again.
I know you did. Where'd you get that
Watch
from?
my video again.
Where'd you get that from?
No one.